Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money between different entities in QuickBooks. This is essential when you're managing multiple business entities and need to move funds cleanly between their accounts while keeping accurate records for each one. Let's start by heading over to the left navigation menu in your QuickBooks dashboard. You'll see a button labeled Plus New at the top of that menu. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a menu of different transaction types you can create in QuickBooks, giving you access to all the core financial actions you need. From the list that appears, look for the section labeled Other and select Transfer. This option is specifically designed for moving money between accounts, which is exactly what we need when dealing with separate entities. It creates a proper record on both sides of the transaction. Now you'll see a transfer form open up. The first field you need to handle is transfer funds from. Click on this drop-down menu and select the bank account of the entity that's sending the money. This ensures QuickBooks knows which account the funds are leaving from. Next, move down to the Transfer Funds to drop-down. Here you'll select the bank account of the receiving entity. This tells QuickBooks where the money is going and ensures both entities have accurate records of the transaction. In the Transfer Amount field, enter the exact amount you're transferring. Be precise here, as this affects the financial records for both entities involved in the transaction. Now look at the Date field. You'll want to change this to reflect the actual date of the transfer. This keeps your financial timeline accurate and makes reconciliation much easier down the line. If you want to add context about why this transfer is happening, click into the Memo field and type a brief description. This is optional but highly recommended for keeping clear records, especially when you're reviewing transactions months later. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close to finalize the transfer. QuickBooks will now record this transaction in both entity accounts automatically. If you need to transfer funds between other entity accounts, simply repeat this same process for each transfer. Just make sure you're selecting the correct accounts each time to avoid mixing up your entity finances. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.